our 2017 Buick Envision here. We're going to change that cabin filter out. First, let's open that glove box door. You're going to notice a brace that goes across the top of the glove box door. So we're going to need to push the walls outwards to release that brace. So push each side out to release the tabs, pull that bracing. And there's a tab on each side of the glove box door. You're just going to have to pull the walls inward to release it from the dash. And that'll expose the door for the cabin air filter. Now on that door, there's a clip on the left and the right hand side. You're going to have to push those clips inwards to release them. And then that glove box door is actually just going to fold upwards. It does not remove. So get those tabs depressed and then try to flip that glove box door up. So that exposes the cabin air filter. You just go ahead and pull that out. Kind of a tight fit, so be patient while you're doing it. You can see that the flow faces down. So when you install the new filter, make sure your flow direction is down. Might take a little time or struggle a little bit to get that seated properly. So once you get that air filter back in, go ahead and push that door closed. Make sure it snaps on the left and right hand side where those retaining tabs are. This is kind of hard to film to give you a really good angle, so I apologize for the shadows and the darkness and all the fumbling around here. Just a really tight box here. So then we're going to put that brace back in. On the lower side of it, you'll see these tabs. And on the glove box door, you'll see the cutouts where those sit. So yet again, it's kind of a tight squeeze, so be patient. Just line those fingers up properly. And once you get them set, just roll that brace upwards. And you'll feel a subtle click. And you won't be able to move it up or down once it is set. And just push the glove box door up, and you're all set. Thanks for watching.